Hamas to disarm, and can you guarantee that is going to happen?
Well, they're going to disarm, and because they said they were going to disarm, and if they don't disarm, we will disarm them.
How will you do that?
I don't have to explain that to you, but if they don't disarm, we will disarm them. They know I'm not playing games. Okay, now we did something monumental. We got the hostages back. That was the first thing we had to do, above all else.
Maham Presiden Jongkari Amerika Donald J. Trump ya ke Hamas ban kruwet sendon ndak bateng lada kawan ban pendam ban IT no ya kitir tma jongka baro ha interview menin ke janmin Presiden Jongkari Amerika Donald J. Trump ula ong ya ke Hamas bakadai ban disam le ban wan pendam no kitir tma jongka baro balada ke Hamas kamwan ban pendam lane IT kitir tma ula ong we will disarm them kumamut ke Amerika kalak ban le dak nuko kam bat kalak ban long baka halak ban hiar sendon dak tma ya ke Hamas nak bentaban keni no ikitiar tma jongka paro kat ke bakadon bat kamjuru ban keni no ik bos insar jongka napo Gaza kene ke jingkren jong Presiden ke Amerika Donald J. Trump kalau mi hadin ba ke Hamas kala sedang ban le don bor biang Gaza kumban suprikan ma hadin baka ri Israel kala hiar tma ya Gaza nadu news nam bala late no bobon sipai jong Hamas kibadang lait im selong ba kila supatri hakitliu kisah ni kita kitonel ban donru napteng jongki bala phat yap no sekiri bomarjan kum sekari Egypt kari Syria kari Lebanon bat kui kiri bomarjan ki badon jing yadai bat ke Hamas bat ke Gaza kelalong hapo jong kejing kontrol ne kejing sensar jong sipai jong kari Israel Andrai hadin jok ni tayo bala late no hakaba kari Israel kala sange ban hiar tama bat weng no ikisipai jongka napo kasa kile no jok Hamas laong bagila sedang ban mi biang hapo kasa bat le don bor bat sinsar don bor ya kiri pai ba ki bosong basa hapo Gaza dang hakini ki sisngi asngi ke Hamas kala penyap bat set yap bobon ki briu hakaba kala keno bagi dai kita kinong set kala lene kita ki briu ki badon ke jingya dai bat kari Israel wat menin ruh den bau Presiden Jongkari Amerika Donald J. Trump ulah ban ai kejing maham ya ki henrei penban laong bikilah siat yap hadu prangut kinong Gaza coba kila kenok bagi don kejing dai bat kari Israel bat kila le ikni kam hapo surok ba hakaba barok kipai ba kila ban yoi